Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. How to fix missing taskbar thumbnail in Windows 10 and 11, both I giving you solutions. So how to fix? Okay. So first guys, right click to icon, find out task manager, this one. Okay. So guys, find Windows Explorer, and right click to restart. This one, right click to restart. Do not end task. Okay, restart. This is first solutions. Now I'm giving you second solutions. Okay, so guys, click second solution again. Click to Windows key and go to setting. Then guys, click to Windows update. If you have guys any pending updates, so firstly install, update and install, download and install, and restart your properly your Windows. Okay. Now guys, second solutions, open file menu, this PC. Okay, so guys, three tab to click and then click to options. This is Windows 11 format. Then guys, click to view and please uncheck always show icons, never thumbnails. Then guys, apply and OK. And now I am giving you Windows 10 format. This is guys Windows 10 format. So click to view, option, change folder options, click to view, and this one. Okay, then apply and OK. Next solutions. So guys, if you facing you install latest update and then facing that issue, so firstly you uninstall your latest update. Again, click to start button, go to setting, and update and Windows update, scroll down, advanced options. Otherwise, I will give you simple options to click to start button, type control panel. This is both Windows 10 and 11, both view by category, uninstall program, program and features, then click to uninstall and update. Okay, so date wise you showing that update. Okay, this one, so you can click to uninstall, then check again this one, last two uninstall, update from your systems, then check it. Okay, then restart your systems. Second guys, you update your graphic card and display drivers. Okay, so how to update? Right click to icon. This is both Windows 10 and 11 both. Okay, click to driver manager, go to display options, extract, right click to update and update drivers. Okay, I have already updated it, so show that way, so that the tab, so you can update. So then close, and you can other also update like your again is showing you firstly display, then monitor. Right click to again update drivers. Okay, and you can processor also, but is not matter these issues, but you can install the latest drivers. Okay, if they are not installed, so go to uh, Google and search on your motherboard name with the model number and download like your graphic card, and your motherboard is a gigabyte, so you can search your Google gigabyte mother model numbers, then download and install. Properly install, then you have to restart your systems proper. Okay, so guys, I have one and last options. So then guys, click to start button and type cmd and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys, I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc/scannow. You look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done. When your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.